Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making blueberry lemon cake. This cake, guys, is soft, fluffy, light, lemony, moist. It's a showstopper of a dessert. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Let's get right into the ingredients. You will need all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, lemon juice, eggs, salt, blueberries, vanilla extract, and melted butter. We're gonna start off by combining all our dry ingredients. In a medium bowl, add baking powder and salt to the flour. Then give it a good mix. This cake is so easy to make with simple ingredients. Next, beat together sugar and butter at medium speed until light and fluffy. Add eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stop the mixer and scrape the bowl. Add lemon juice and vanilla extract and mix well. Beat in flour mixture 1/3 cup at a time until blended and smooth. One thing I can tell you guys, this cake is so good. The cake itself is so tasty. It really doesn't need any frosting. If you like, you can serve it along with whipped cream or dust it with confectioner sugar. Today, I'm gonna leave mine plain, simple, because it's so beautiful, guys. This blueberry cake is bursting with natural flavors and so refreshing. Use the spatula to scrape the sides of the bowl. Pour the batter into a greased pan. I have my pan lined with parchment paper, guys. Then spread evenly across the pan. Smooth the top. Then we're gonna sprinkle with blueberries. Just like so, guys. Bake the cake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. The cake is out of the oven. We're gonna let it cool for 15 minutes in the pan, then invert it onto a cooling rack. This cake also can be served as a coffee cake, guys. Before I forget, guys, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, and share it with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my heart.